Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the AVCOO TENS and EMS device. You can get this product on Amazon for about $34. Check out the link in the description. The set comes with 2 lead wires, 12 replacement pads, a charging cable, a user manual and a storage bag. The user manual tells you how to operate the device and which modes and pad placements are suggested. The device is small and lightweight and has a large LCD display. Charging the device with a USB cable is very convenient and the battery lasts for up to 40 hours. Using the device is pretty easy and only takes a few seconds to set everything up. Depending on the mode and intensity, the treatment feels pretty good and actually helps with my pain. I tested the device for about 2 weeks, mostly for the pain in my arm, and I think it's a very good product. Of course you can't expect any miracles, but it actually helps with my pain and it feels pretty nice. So if you are looking for a 3-in-1 TENS unit to relax your body and relieve your pain, I would recommend the AVCOO TENS and EMS device. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.